Drip.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Ashimary once more. So I'm just gonna jump straight into it. I love the color of this package so much. It's so pretty. So first thing that I'm seeing here is I got a robe. Love getting me a cute robe, just branded Ashimary. This one is pretty long. I actually got this one before, you know, so now this is like a duplicate. And then of course we're gonna get into the wig. Also in the box I got a edge brush and comb. I got a pair of very natural looking lashes. These are really nice and light. I got a branded elastic headband, great for melting your lace. And finally I got a pair of the HD wig cap. Love that. And this little razor, you know, it's great for cutting the extra lace off your wigs. Guys, oh my gosh, I got this gorgeous 30-inch straight wig from Ashimary today. You see that? It's full all the way to the tip and it's nice and layered. Oh my gosh, it's also already like pre-plucked and stuff. It looks so good. So I need you guys to know that this is a full 13 by 6 lace front. And when I said 30 full, yeah, you know I work with a lot of 13 by 6 or whatever, but why this is full, you realize that sometimes when I show you guys 13 by 6, it's just in the mid portion that is 13 by 6. So with a full 13 by 6, it's actually that size right across. So from ear to ear is a 13 by 6 sizing. So I love that, because what that means, you can go ahead and add braids to the front. You can part it absolutely anywhere. You can get a really nice deep side part, as opposed to like doing more of a like off center part or a side part that's not as deep, you know. So it's really nice to have a full-on 13 by 6. That's like one of my biggest things. I really love when I can have a nice full 13 by 6 or even a full dress wig, but you know, you get the vibe. So that's how the inside looks there. And then there are adjustable straps in the back, of course, you know, for more security. You can make your cap tighter. I have a medium cap working with, by the way. There is a total of 3 combs on the inside, and the lace is pretty normal. That's how it looks. It's a pretty nice standard cap construction. Also, it's a 1B color, and I need you guys to know that this wig is a 250% density lace front wig. It is really nice and full. It feels great, guys. It's so silky and nice. Oh my gosh, this is the vibe. When I say inches, at y'all them step out. No, because for real, like, what? You get a nice bust down center part in this. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm happy that we can be working with some inches today. I'm really excited to go ahead and jump into this. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go. And I did the ball cap method because we're using glue today for the install, honey. And did I tell you it's a medium cap? I think I did. Yeah, so it's a medium cap, so definitely it does go past my ears, but it always works out better for me to get a medium cap rather than getting like a small, because a small would just be way too tiny. Like, it wouldn't fit, it would be uncomfortable. It would probably fit, but it would be too tight for my head. So yeah, I never get small. Well, it's obviously because I've gotten small before, which allows me to know that, okay, small isn't for you. So I've just stuck with medium. And so all my wigs are always like a medium. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the glue to the front. I'm gonna be taking my Hold Me Down from Erica J. You guys know I use this and another glue, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. It's still good, it's very strong. And I feel like with this heat, I'm definitely just gonna go ahead and do 3 layers of glue today. Of course, allowing each layer to dry down or get very nice and tacky for the most part, because yeah, the heat is up. Alright, so I'm finally done with applying the glue and it's tacky enough, so I'm just gonna go ahead and lay the wig down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going ahead and cut away the excess lace, and then any part that needs more glue, you know, I always go back in with some more. So I'm gonna add some more here on the side. Talk about inches. This comes all the way down to my hips. Okay, yeah, let me show you guys how convenient this lace front is, because remember I told you it's a full-on 13 by 6. So you see, nice deep parting. Deep, so you can part it all the way down there, all the way down to the ear portion. Like these wigs, I love having wigs like these. See, it's gorgeous, stunning, and the hair, as I said, the texture, it feels so good. Alright, so it's not perfect, but I'm gonna start laying it, and once it's like flatter, then I can go in and straighten it more. So you know the drill, my wax stick, and I always start off with like the center, just so that it's nicely divided. Now that I got it really nice and flat, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it, just like run through it with my flat iron. It's so nice and silky and soft. Like, it's so even at the end, and it is beautiful and flowy. So far the shedding is very minimal so far. That's something I look out for these lengthier wigs, because it can be annoying if these wigs shed like a lot, but this is very minimal, so that's a good sign. And It looks so good. It's very true to length. Right now I feel like this is more 32 inches than anything. I'm 5'1", by the way, just so you have like an idea based on your height where it will be on you. That's it, guys. I showed you the full view of this wig. Like, it is really nice and luscious and long. So if you're looking for inches, Ashimary got you, okay? Shout out to Ashimary for this bomb wig. It is beautifully constructed and the hair is feeling really good. So as usual, you guys know I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, and you can go ahead and get it if you're interested. Also, all the specifications will be listed. Yeah, it's perfect. Like, it's literally perfect. If you're going for this vibe, it's stunning. So I'm really pleased. I'm really happy with it. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So yeah, it's a vibe. It is a vibe. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yo, Dre.